Today I'm going to chop onion. We have two different ways to chop onion. First step is to cut here and cut in half. And then peel off the skin like this. Onion has layers like this, and if you don't have to cut every sides of the onions when you want to chop your onion, so it's very simple. I will show you two ways. The first thing you have to do is don't cut this root part, and this part will hold the onion layer tight, so you don't have to hold it tight with your hands. It's very simple. So do not cut this part and cut this part until you do not cut the root part like this, so that it can hold the onion layer tight. Again, cut, 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 cut. So they are tightly fastened. Turn. This procedure is optional. If you are not confident in yourself, you can skip this process. But if you want to make a very fine chop, just to make a cut like this and hold it tight. Now time to chop. Like this. Chop, chop, chop. This root part will hold it tight. Chop, chop, chop. What about the root part? Just cut, cut, and cut, and cut, and final cut. So now we have onion chop like this. It's very simple. Now I'm going to start from different angle. When you cut all the poles like this, so the root parts cannot hold the onion layer anymore. Cut your onion like this, and you do not cut this part. So just cut a 90% of the onion like this, and this part will hold the onion tight. Just 90% cuts. Okay, now turn like this. The same procedure is optionally needed like this. But when you do this, you have to hold your onion very tightly with your hands and cut like this. Chop, 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 chop. And this size, chop again, chop, and turn, chop. That's it. Now onion chop is over. Everything is perfectly done.